How to add a YouTube video to your Shopify product page. Hey everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing great. I will show you exactly how we can add a YouTube video to our product page here. So it's just going to show right down here, and we can actually view it. It's going to play for us and everything. So yeah, let's just go ahead and jump into how to do it. So first of all, you will want to obviously locate the video that you want. So I'm just going to go ahead and find a video of my own, and I'll just use it as an example. Okay, so I'm just going to be using this one as an example, and I will show you exactly how to do it. So just go ahead and open up any YouTube video, yours or any other YouTube video, really. And what we want to do is simply just click on the share button over here at the bottom. And then you don't want to copy the link. We actually want to we want to actually click on the embed icon here. So just go ahead and click on embed. And then you will find this code right here. Just go ahead and copy the code or click on copy at the bottom right, and it should copy the code to our clipboard. And now we can just go ahead and exit out of here, and we can just go to our Shopify store, open up the products section, and right here you would want to select the product that you want to add the video to. So I'm just going to be using this one as an example. And in the description, you basically want to click on this insert video button, click on that, and then you want to basically just paste in the code and click on insert video. And we can see now that we have this video playing, or not playing, but it is added in our product page. So if we just click on save, and if we just view our site, we can actually see that we have the video down here. But now if you actually want to have the video as a shorts video, how do we actually do that? Because that is not currently available, but I will show you exactly how to do it also. So to embed a shorts YouTube video, you'll need to go down to the description of this video and copy the code down below. So just go ahead and copy it. Okay, so now that you have copied the code down in the description, what we need to do is just go ahead and find the shorts video. So I'm just going to be using also this one. And what we need to do is just go ahead and open it up. Let me just pause it real quick. And again, you just want to click on share. And then you want to copy the link over here. So just go ahead and copy the link. And then we can just go ahead and exit out of here, and we can go back to our Shopify store. Again, same thing, click on insert video, and then hold Windows and V, and it should open up the clipboard basically. Or you can just go ahead and paste in the code that I just told you in the description. Paste that in. And basically what we need to do now is just select this section right here between the src equals, and change this link to the link of the shorts that we just got. So just go ahead and paste in the link of the shorts itself in between. And then what we need to do lastly is change the shorts to embed. So just delete the shorts and make it embed. And just click on insert video. And we should have our video up here for some reason, but you can just, format it differently if you would like. But no time for that right now. So I'm just going to click on save. And we can just go to our online store. And if we just go to our product page here, we can just see the shorts video here. So yeah, this is pretty much how to add YouTube videos to your Shopify product page. Hopefully you found this video to be helpful, and thanks for watching.